A new year can mean brand new crayons and sharpened pencils, a teacher's favorite thing. But as you come back from break, you'll often realize that you need to review expectations, routines, and procedures in your classroom. I'm Chad Boonder, also known as the male kindergarten teacher, and I'm going to share some practical tips and tricks for behavior management in your classroom. The first tip or trick is to create visuals and review those expectations right away when your students come back from break. These are just some examples of posters that you can use in your classroom or in your hallways to show students what the expectations are in the cafeteria or maybe even in the hallway. The biggest tip or trick is to always model what you expect of those students and to practice. Choose students who maybe don't exhibit those behaviors often and praise them for their positive behaviors by following those expectations and rules. The second tip is to use call and response techniques. This can often be effective if you're trying to get the attention of your class, and even older grades also enjoy it. Some examples of these call and responses include class, and they say yes, or all set, and they say you bet. Or my favorite, if I want to get the class's attention, I want them to stop what they're doing, I say hands on top, and they say everybody stop, and everybody puts their hands on top of their head. These are great tips and tricks to really regain control of your classroom, to make sure that you're setting your routines and procedures and that students understand and know their expectations.